I'll give a brief show of front panel, back panel, and accessories of the N5860-48SC switch. Before you begin the installation, make sure that you have the followings: anti-static bracelet, gloves, Phillips screwdriver, and be careful of the following notes. Then comes the specific steps of switch chassis installation. Step 1. Installing the mounting brackets. Secure the mounting brackets to the two sides of the switch chassis with M4 screws. Step 2. Installing the inner rails. Secure the inner rails to the switch chassis with M4 screws. Step 3. Installing floating nuts to the square hole bars. Determine the installation position of the floating nut, and then install the floating nuts. Step 4. Installing the slide rails. Attach the slide rails to the rack using 4M6 screws and nuts. Step 5. Installing the switch chassis. Align the switch with the slide rails and push the switch to slide. Screw the mounting brackets to the rack using 4M6 screws. Step 6. Grounding the switch. Remove the grounding screw of the switch. Install the grounding cable to the switch screw. Connect one end of the grounding cable to the grounding point on the switch back panel. Secure another end of the grounding cable to the rack. Step 7. Power on the device. Use the provided power cord to connect to the device and fix the power cord to prevent it from falling off. After finishing the above steps, observe whether the LED lights are normal and the green lights are on.